Hi everyone, I'm Frankie, your local Stockholm guide, and in this video I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about what to wear and what to bring on your trip to Stockholm during the winter time. To get us started, I will be showing you a little bit how I typically dress for temperatures in the -10 to -20 degrees Celsius. And if you happen to be coming here between November through March, you might be meeting some of those conditions as well. I'm wearing my down jacket. It's quite good, quite warm. Very thick down coat to go out and make sure that I'm not gonna freeze. But then I also have my snow pants for when it's snowy, and on the inside they're very warm and cozy. I got my socks. I'm always like fully layered up, so this is some of what I would advise you to do. My scarf, you can put it in many different ways, but usually I just do this. Of course, I have my sweater. It's a woolen lamb's wool sweater. And then I have my heat tech turtleneck inside. So it's about -10 today, so it's definitely worth it to bring this much clothing. Then I got, of course, a toque, or a beanie as they say in the States. Definitely something to protect your ears. It's very important. And what I always recommend is that you have like a hooded coat, because the hood will actually protect you much more. Now, a lot of people think that you're not supposed to, you know, for fashion sense, like have a hood. But the thing is, most of your body heat will leave through your neck and head area. So it's important that you have a hood to, you know, prevent that heat from leaving your body. That is the most important thing. Like everything else should be fairly warm. Otherwise, you can also wear a woolen coat without a hood. I always have some gloves on me, so these ones are woolen gloves. They work quite well, and they have these little parts that allow you to still use your touch screen on your phone, on your smartphone. Usually I pick woolen gloves, but if you are planning on being outside, then you definitely should maybe get some weatherproof, like windproof or snowproof gloves. I think those are helpful as well. These are my bogs. I got them in Canada, and technically they go down to -40 degrees Celsius, which is kind of crazy, but I mean, it works. So usually I use these for snow days, for muddy grounds, but they're quite good. So I brought them from Canada, and they have these little handles, so you can take them off when you get to your workplace. And then as a more practical boot, I just have this chunky kind of boot that works wonders. And usually I just double layer the socks. So yeah, that's also another boot that you can wear that's a little bit more low rise. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to be fully warm in Stockholm. So a hood and good shoes as well. That is usually the key thing for you to be able to be fully supported. I look like a Michelin man. Make sure you're packing correctly, and if you happen to want to get this packing list that I've already created for you, feel free to follow the link in the description box. Then you'll be able to access the packing lists that I've made, that I have written, so you know what to bring to your trip in Stockholm. Bye!